Hello and welcome to this lesson on how to play an E chord. As soon as you're ready, let's get started. Step 1. Put your hand in a fist position. Slowly open up your fingers, keeping them well rounded, as if you were holding on to a tennis ball. Place your thumb on the neck behind the fretboard, keeping it well hidden. Step 2. Begin with your first finger and press down on the 3rd string, 1st fret. Then using your 3rd finger, press down on the 4th string, 2nd fret. Finally, using your 2nd finger, press down on the 5th string, 2nd fret. Use the tip of your fingers to press down on the strings and always keep your fingers well rounded. Step 3. Put your thumb or a pick on the 6th string. Slide down across the strings as smoothly as possible, like this. Do these 3 steps every day 10 times. The more you practice, the better you become at playing an E chord. Keep up the good work and please subscribe so that you never miss a lesson and you make the most out of these video tutorials. Good luck and see you next lesson.